student. Today's our new topic is phrasal verb. First of all, see definition. Definition of phrasal verb. A phrasal verb is like an idiom. It is a phrase that has a special meaning. Phrasal verbs have a main verb and another verb that is usually either an adverb or a preposition. See example, let's get together on Tuesday. Main verb plus adverb. Okay. I decide to put off the meeting until next week. Main verb plus preposition. Okay. List of some common phrasal verbs. First, bring. Bring on, to cause something to happen, usually something negative. Say example, his lung cancer was brought on by years of smoking. ठीक है बेटे, क्या काज हुआ इसकी? लंग कैंसर वाज ब्रोट ऑन बाय ईयर्स ऑफ स्मोकिंग. तो क्या हो गया? टू काज समथिंग टू हैपन. ओके, लंग कैंसर का जो काज है वो क्या है? स्मोकिंग. Bring it on. Bring it on means to accept a challenge with confidence. Say example, you want to have a race. Bring it on. I can beat you. It means to accept a challenge with confidence. Next है call. Call on. This can mean either to visit someone or to use someone or something knowledge. जैसे I shall call on you this evening to see how you are feeling. Okay, call on visit करना. Call off means to cancel something. The picnic was called off. Called off means cancel होना because of the rain. ठीक है बेटे, किस वजह से? because of the rain. Next है cheer on. To support someone by giving them words of encouragement. Okay, see example, even though Samantha was in the last place, her brother cheered her on through the entire race. ठीक है बेटे, थ्रू द एंटायर रेस. क्या किया उसने? उसको इनकोरेजमेंट किया. चीयर ऑन करना मीन्स टू सपोर्ट समवन बाय गिविंग देम वर्ड्स ऑफ इनकोरेजमेंट. कम अप मीन्स with something to think of an idea. Say example, I came up with this idea. ठीक है, I came up with this idea for a TV show about a woman living with her best friend and daughter. I call it 2.5 women. Means to think of an idea. इसी विचार के ऊपर आना. Come across means to meet or find by chance. Example, I was cleaning the attics and I came across my high school uniform. Can you believe it still fits? Come across, it shows to meet or find by chance. Next is cut. Cut off means this phrase can be used in several ways, but its general meaning is to interrupt or stop something or to stop supplying things to or communicating with someone. See example, his father is rich but he cut him off without any money of his own. उसको कट ऑफ कर दिया बगैर रीजन के. ठीक है, एनी मनी ऑफ हिज ओन. Next is cut in. It shows to interrupt someone when they are speaking. Okay, see example, I was about to ask that girl on a date but her friend cut in and I lost the chance. ठीक है, to interrupt someone. Next is drop by in. To stop by for a visit फॉर ए शॉर्ट टाइम. शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए क्या करना? टू स्टॉप बाई फॉर ए विजिट. सी एग्जाम्पल, एंड्रू इज सच ए ग्रेट फ्रेंड. व्हेन ही हियर दैट हिज बेस्ट फ्रेंड हैड ए कोल्ड ही ड्रॉप्ड बाई टू ब्रिंग हर सम सो. ओके, ड्रॉप ऑफ इट मीन्स to leave something or someone in their destination. Say example, I can give you a ride and drop you off at work. Drop करना बेटे, छोड़ना कहीं को, किसी को. Next is fall apart. This phrase means to break into pieces, but it can be used to talk about things that are not physical, like a marriage or a person. Okay? See example, they tried to save their marriage by going to therapy, but in the end they fell apart anyway. Okay, fall apart shows break into pieces. Next is fall down, to drop to the ground, usually by accident. ठीक है, कहाँ पर गिराना? ग्राउंड, वो भी by accident. My friend slipped on a banana peel and fell down. I thought that only happened in cartoons. Next is fill in, to give someone the details about something. Okay, say example, quickly, let's go. There's no time to explain. I will fill you in on the way. Next is get away, to escape. It means to escape. Carmen's neighbor tried to show her pictures of all her cats, but Carmen managed to get away. Means to escape, बच के भागना, बचना. Get along with, to have a friendly relationship with someone. See example, some people are surprised that I get along with my mother-in-law really well. Next is get up, to stand up or to wake up. I have so much trouble getting up in the morning that I have to set 3 alarms. Next is give. Give means give in, to surrender, especially in a fight or arguments. सरेंडर करना अपने आप को, आत्म समर्पण करना, especially in a fight or argument. फाइट में और आर्ग्यूमेंट बहस होती. Bean's mother gave in and let him stay out late with his friends. मतलब सरेंडर, हथियार डाल देना, या मतलब आत्मसमर्पण कर देना कि. नेक्स्ट फ्रेजल वर्ब इज गिव अवे. इट मीन्स टू हैंड थिंग्स आउट फॉर फ्री. सी एग्जाम्पल, वहन Linda's cat had kittens. She gave them all away to good homes. Okay, give up, to stop trying, surrender. See example, after 2 weeks of trying to build my own table, I gave up and just bought one. ठीक है बेटे, गिव अप मतलब टू स्टॉप ट्राइंग, सरेंडर. नेक्स्ट इज go ahead. It means to go in front of someone. It means to go in front of someone or to give permission to do or say something. See example, go ahead, explain to me why there is a car on my roof. Go ahead, आगे जाना, आगे बताना. Okay. Next, grow up means to grow up. Sometimes used to tell someone to stop acting childish. See example, some people tell Steve he needs to grow up, but he loves acting like a child. Grow up होना. Hang on, to keep something. See example, when everyone else was getting fired, Paul managed to hang on to his job. Hang up, To end a call on the phone, especially if it's before the other person is ready. Hang up करना. See example, I was in the middle of a sentence and he hung up on me. How rude. Hold. Hold on. It means to hold something tightly. It means to hold something tightly. This phrase can also be a way of asking someone to wait for a moment. ठीक है, होल्ड करने के लिए होल्ड ऑन. See example, you should better hold on to your hat. It's windy out there. Hold back means to stop yourself from doing or saying something. See example, Amy has a great voice, but whenever she is singing in public, she feels shy and holds back. It means to stop yourself, अपने आप को रोकना, from doing or saying something, कुछ कहने और करने के लिए अपने आप को रोकना. Look up means to check the meaning of something. Okay, if you don't know the meaning of a word, you should look it up in the dictionary. ठीक है, डिक्शनरी में से कुछ चेक करने के लिए तो उसको बोलते हैं look up. Look out means to watch out for something. See example, look out, there is a baseball coming your way. ठीक है, look out means to watch out for something. Put out. This phrase can mean to extinguish a fire or to irritate someone by asking them for a favor. ओके बेटा, टू इसके मीनिंग है. फर्स्ट इज द फायर फाइटर्स मैनेज टू पुट आउट द फायर बिकॉज इट स्प्रेड टू अदर हाउसेज. तो पुट आउट का मतलब होता है बुझाना. नेक्स्ट है, आई शुड आस्क यू टू मेक मी डिनर बट आई डोंट वांट टू पुट यू आउट. इट मीन्स टू इरिटेट समवन बाय आस्किंग देम फॉर ए फेवर. नेक्स्ट इज put on. Put on means to get your clothes or make up on. See example, every morning she puts on her dress, lipsticks, shoes and hat in that order. It means put on means पहनना, clothes पहनने के लिए. ओके बेटे, ये आपको क्या करना है, अपनी फेयर नोटबुक में करना है. ओके, थैंक्स.